I'm Stanley the Pup.
We're gonna count from 1 all the way to 20. Can you count, clap, and wag your tails with me? Let's go. 1,
2,
clap your paws. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 5, 6, clever tricks. 5, 6, clever tricks. 7, 8, feeling great. 7, 8, feeling great. 9 and 10, woof again. 9 and 10, woof again. Now jump up high and spin around. We're counting fun with a puppy sound. Shake your tail, tap your feet, counting numbers to the beat, to the beat. 11,
11,
12,
12,
13, 14, ring that bell. 13, 14, ring that bell. 15, 16, let's bark loud. 15, 16, let's bark loud. 17, 18, so proud. 17, 18, so proud. 19, 20, let's dance around. Wag your tail 1 time, woof. Clap your paws 2 times, clap, clap. Spin in a circle 3 times fast. Now shout your number 20 at last. 20. Count with Stanley 1 to 20. Laughs and learning, we've got plenty. Clap, jump, spin, hooray! We love to count and learn each day. Woo!
You did it! You counted all the way to 20! Hey kids, let's count some more. We done 1 to 20, let's explore. Now Stanley the Pup is back in town. From 21 to 40, let's break it down. 21, 22, let's start the fun. 23, 24, we're not yet done. 25, 26, wag your tail. 27, 28, we're on the trail. Numbers grow like a tree so tall. Let's keep climbing, we won't fall. Count with Stanley, 1 by 1. Counting's easy when it's fun. From 21 to 40's door. Let's keep counting more and more. 29, 30, now we're on a roll. 31, 32, take control. 33, 34, hop around. 35, 36, what a sound. 37, 38, clap your hands. 39, 40, take a stand. We've counted up so high today. Now let's cheer hip, hip, hooray.
You did amazing. That was great. Thanks for singing with me today. Until next time, keep learning and woof, woof.